I watched my friend lose his job to AI last Tuesday. Not in 5 years, not eventually. Last Tuesday. But here's what nobody's talking about. He got a better job 3 weeks later. And that's when I realized everything we're being told about AI and careers is backwards. I've been obsessed with watching how AI is reshaping careers, and I need to share some thoughts that have been keeping me up at night. Because what's happening right now isn't what anyone predicted. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to miss the biggest career shift in human history. Everyone's asking the wrong question. Will AI take my job? Wrong question. The right question is, what am I doing that AI can't make 10 times better? I've watched copywriters panic about ChatGPT. I've seen graphic designers terrified of Midjourney, programmers worried about GitHub Copilot. But here's what I'm actually seeing happen in real time. The copywriters who learn to prompt AI are now doing the work of entire marketing departments. The designers using AI tools are producing concepts in hours that used to take weeks. The developers with AI assistants are building products they couldn't have imagined creating alone. The pattern is crystal clear. AI isn't replacing careers. It's replacing people who refuse to evolve. I've noticed people falling into 3 distinct categories. Type 1, the deniers. These are the people saying AI will never replace human creativity, while doing the exact kind of repetitive, formulaic work that AI excels at. I watched a content writer spend 8 hours creating product descriptions that I could generate in 8 minutes. She refused to learn the tools. She's no longer in that role. Type 2, the optimizers. These people see AI as a superpower. They're the ones asking, how can I use this to do what I do, but impossibly better? A video editor I know cut his editing time by 60% using AI tools, which meant he could take on more clients, which meant he tripled his income in 6 months. Same skills, different approach. Type 3, the pioneers. These people are creating entirely new careers that didn't exist 2 years ago. Prompt engineers making 6 figures, AI ethicists, custom GPT builders, people training AI models for specific industries. These jobs weren't in any career counselor's handbook, but they're some of the most in-demand positions right now. Which type are you? Here's something wild. I'm watching AI eliminate certain jobs while simultaneously creating a massive demand for human skills we thought were becoming irrelevant. Example: AI can write a technical manual in seconds, so technical writers are obsolete, right? Wrong. Companies now need people who can prompt AI correctly, verify its output, add nuance and context, and ensure it aligns with brand voice. The job didn't disappear. It evolved into something that requires even more expertise. The pattern I keep seeing: AI is incredible at the 80%. It can get you 80% of the way there faster than any human. But that last 20%? That's where humans are becoming more valuable than ever. Strategy, context, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, creative direction. These aren't skills AI is replacing. These are the skills that are becoming the entire job. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your job is 100% in that first 80%, you need to start learning how to own that last 20%. Fast. I've been watching something fascinating happen. While everyone's terrified about AI taking jobs, there's this massive gap opening up. Companies everywhere are desperate for people who can bridge the AI gap. They have the tools but don't know how to use them effectively. They have the technology but lack the human judgment to deploy it right. This is creating opportunities that are frankly ridiculous. I know someone who simply learned how to use AI tools really well and now consults for companies at $200 per hour, teaching them to do the same. Another person created a business helping small companies implement AI workflows. Another built a course teaching professionals in their industry how to use AI without losing their human edge. The opportunity isn't in competing with AI. It's in being the person who knows how to dance with it. So here's what keeps me up at night, and maybe it should keep you up too. This isn't a distant future scenario. This is happening right now while you're watching this video. Every day you wait to adapt is a day someone else is pulling further ahead. But here's the thing that actually gives me hope. Humans are incredibly adaptable. We've been through industrial revolutions before. We've survived technology disrupting entire industries. Always figure it out. The question isn't whether you'll survive the AI career shift. The question is whether you'll thrive in it. Start today. Pick one AI tool relevant to your field. Spend 1 hour learning it. See what happens. Because I'm watching AI change.